Okay, I'm going to show you real quick how to start your rototiller or some other kind of engine that's where the recoil starter mechanism is broken. This one had plastic teeth and they sheared off, and so that it doesn't engage in the hub anymore, so I can't start the engine with it. But I wanted to go ahead and start the engine. So I'll show you how I do it. I've ordered the part, but I figured out how to do it with just a piece of rope. And I'll show you that right now. The first thing you need to do is determine which direction the engine's going to rotate. And I can do that just by holding this up and pulling it. And I can see it's going to rotate clockwise like that. So then I just got a length of cord here. It's maybe 5 feet, paracord with a piece of wood for a handle. And in my case, there's a little grooves in the hub here. So I'm going to go ahead and just put the rope in there and go around in this direction here. So that, and I want to capture that into that groove. And then I just kind of wrap it tightly. And I'm going to wrap it as many times as I can. And you want to be careful with this. You don't want this engine to start and hang you up with this rope here. So you want to be prepared to let go of this rope. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get this thing ready to go. I'm going to pull it till I hear it on a compression stroke. We'll go around one more time. She's ready to rumble. Let's see if I can get her started here.